What products shape your world every day? Do you ever wonder how they're produced? Around the world, the products we depend on are made with Sandvik Coromant tools. You see a small portion of the products that you use every day. You see the tools that build them. Now, let's meet the people behind the tools. Being part of the Sandvik Coromant team shows you a whole new side of working with metal. Just imagine, every day you're a part of shaping people's lives, working with customers all over the world. Innovation, teamwork, and development is the driving force for the people of Sandvik Coromant, working together to be the leader by developing new and innovative solutions for the metal cutting industry. We work as a team, all of us, product specialists, designers, engineers, machinists, customer support, and we bring that team spirit to our customers to build solutions for their success. Working with the market leader in metal cutting brings you opportunities to learn new skills and try new careers in areas like product development, CAM support, customer support, or even working abroad. In the metal cutting industry, there are many exciting careers, whether you're working for Sandvik Coromant or one of our many partners. Using our tools and products, you will be part of Sandvik Coromant's market leadership by delivering high-quality solutions with the highest service level known in the industry. Sandvik Coromant is a global company represented in more than 130 countries. Where our customers are, we're there. Being innovative, manufacturing high-quality products and solutions. Delivering the knowledge and service gained over the years as the market leader is who we are. How we got there? We keep your success in focus.